Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Polytrade token. Ticker symbol is TRADE. This token just recently got listed on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on the Polytrade token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Polytrade token. So Polytrade, ticker symbol TRADE, just got listed July 10th on a central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex account, I do have a Coinex referral code down there in the description box. So all you'd have to do if you want to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search trade, because that is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So that's how you get this token. Now you can find their Twitter at Polytrade_FIN. Now, it's a very well-established project. They have 61,700 Twitter followers. You can find all the information you need on this token if you just head over to their white paper at polytrade.gitbook.io. So Polytrade is a blockchain-based trade finance platform that helps small businesses by funding their short-term financial needs. Let's say John has a furniture manufacturing business. He sells his furniture to IKEA with a 3-month credit period. This means that once John ships an order to IKEA, it would take 3 months for him to receive the sale proceeds. During these 3 months, John would need to pay his employees, pay the electricity bill, buy raw materials for future orders, and whatnot. This is where Polytrade comes in handy. So Polytrade simply purchases this invoice and pays John immediately. Let's say Polytrade pays 95% to John. After 3 months, Polytrade would collect the proceeds of this invoice from IKEA. The 5% differential is Polytrade's income for taking a risk by giving money instantly to John. Further SMEs like John's are funded with the help of investors who deposit their crypto assets on Polytrade. Polytrade finances these businesses with these funds and in return pays a regular interest to the investors. Thus, Polytrade serves as the bridge between investors and SMEs. This helps SMEs meet their short-term financial requirements in a timely and efficient manner. It also allows an investor to help these SMEs and gives them a viable, safe, and secure investment opportunity. Before transitioning itself into a blockchain-based platform, Polytrade was known as Requisa Capital. This company was established in 2014 in Hong Kong. By 2020, the company had financed, onboarded 5,000 sellers and funded 250 of them. This accounted for $500 million worth of invoices globally. In early 2021, Polytrade was ideated by its blueprint and was finalized. By the end of 2021, the platform launched its liquidity pools. So what is trade finance? So Polytrade only caters to the factoring invoice financing services for SMEs. So every business needs to manage its working capital and maintain a healthy cash flow to succeed. For this, it needs regular flows of money. Sometimes these finances are provided by banks or financial institutions. However, there are several limitations to using traditional banks and institutions such as A, banks are highly regulated, B, banks charge a high amount of interest, and C, banks hardly provide these services to SMEs. So trade finance is a bundle of services that make trade transactions more feasible. Therefore, trade finance companies connect investors with SMEs and create a win-win situation for all the stakeholders. Trade finance includes a wide array of services such as factoring, invoice financing, letters of credit, bridging, stock finance, etc. So the trade token specifically, trade is the in-house utility token of the Polytrade platform. These tokens are used as the key payment and reward instrument within the Polytrade ecosystem. These are ERC20 tokens. ERC20 is the standard for fungible tokens created on the Ethereum blockchain network. Uses of the trade token, number one is governance of Polytrade platform through validated holders. Number two is staking rewards. Number three, reduced interest rates for sellers for staked trade tokens. Number four, invoice discounts for buyers if settlement is done on the Polytrade platform. And number five, trade token rewards for service providers in participating on the platform. Now, there's a total supply of 100 million trade tokens. It was split up between different sales, so strategic, seed, private, and public sale. And some of the tokens are also split up between marketing and LP rewards, team, public round, community incentivization, ecosystem partners, and advisors. You can check out the pie chart, the vesting period chart there as well. Looks like they do have, it says, they do have 2 security audits that you could check out as well on their white paper. One by CertiK, which is the leading crypto auditor, and one by Immune Bytes. Now, they have the Polytrade Unique Selling Proposition, the USP. You can review that on their white paper. So investors can deposit their idle crypto funds with Polytrade because these investors provide liquidity to the platform. They are known as liquidity providers. Polytrade converts these crypto assets into fiat currency and uses these funds for factoring invoice financing. And you can check out the Polytrade factoring transaction, how that works. They have graphs and stuff like that. So there's services here with the buyer, the seller, the interest, the cash, the trade coin, the stable coin, the liquidity providers, the invoice payment on due date, big graphs on that as well. How to submit an invoice to Polytrade, founders and teams, the benefits of using Polytrade, components of the ecosystem, advisors, resources, FAQs, all those things you can find at polytrade.gitbook.io. And you can find this token recently listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token, check out that Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.